I gotta go see Jimmy and Tanya. Down here somewhere. Jimmy never looked better. Jimmy! Jimmy! Hi, Jimmy! And that's Tanya and her sister. Some other bird, a parrot. Tanya Lamowski. Tanya Lamowski. Let's have a look at Jimmy. Jimmy! Don't bite the boy, Jimmy.
Hold the breath?
I'm not really much on birds. I know a lot of birds in Hamilton. We call them birds.
Punch.
I got a close up.
Punch. Punch.
No. My daughter will remember this goat. It was here 4 years ago when my daughter was here. The goat was here, yeah.
Birdie's falling asleep.
Yeah, well. You'll be on X-Tube next week with this bird. And I'll edit it and take all your clothes off and you'll be kissing the bird and doing things with the goat. This guy doesn't like his cameras or what? Is he sleeping? All right, I'm going back up, drink my beer now, Tanya. Bye.